Hi friends, how are you? Have you seen my all videos here before? I hope you enjoyed watching the videos, understood the concept in it. Friends, lots of efforts are required to prepare one video. Therefore, if you appreciate those videos, please give likes, write the comments, and share with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Hello friends, I am Professor Rajendra Koranne from my channel Teach Easy. In this video, I will give you some tips regarding how to study using video lectures. So let us start. Due to the COVID pandemic situations, all of us know that we have to forget the live mode of teaching and learning, and definitely we will have to switch to the online mode. Now let us see something regarding the online mode. Now for we as teachers, we will miss you in front of us a lot because we are habituated to look at you in front of us in the classroom and deliver the lectures. Therefore, it is a bit difficult, but we will make it a habit to deliver a lecture assuming that you are sitting in front of us. Now for online mode, for you people as a student, you will definitely miss the college atmosphere. You will definitely miss enjoyment with your friends in the breaks. You will definitely miss all your friend circle and the different enjoyments going in the class from time to time. Finally, we have to accept the online mode and we will have to make teaching learning process effective. For the teaching learning process to be effective, let us see some tips regarding how to study using video lectures. Now for this, I will first talk about teachers. Definitely I have just talked that we will have to deliver the lectures, making it a habit that you are sitting in front of us. Now what are important points from your point of view as students? The first thing, you should be prepared physically as well as mentally. Now let us see what are the things to be observed for making yourself physically prepared. The first point, you should be well dressed, sitting in the chair with a table in front of you, imagining that you are sitting in the classroom. The second point, on your table, what are the things you should have? You should have a notebook, pen, pencil, compass box, calculator. Then you should have a platform for keeping the mobile so that the mobile will be at your eye level. Similarly, you must have earphones or headphones on the table. So if you sit in this fashion for the lecture, you will imagine that you are sitting in the classroom. Now let us see what are the things to be observed for mental preparation. That is, how to actually study using this particular video lecture. The first point, one complete run of view, that is from starting to end, with headphones or earphones is necessary. The earphones or headphones are required for proper concentration. Now first viewing, you must keep your mobile on the silent mode so that you will not be disturbed while viewing the first run. Now one important thing, after first run of view is complete, many of you immediately download the lecture. Now I will advise you not to download the lecture because, see, look here, I will give you the example. For this first unit of Moss or Psalm, you will require something 12 lectures. Such 7 to 8 units are there, and for so many lectures, if you go on downloading this particular content, memory of your mobile will be occupied for a very higher level and it will become slow and slow. Instead of that, what you have to do, when you want to see it for the second time, you go in the YouTube, go in the library, and there you will see history. So if you press on history, you will get the view which you have already viewed here before. So please do not download the video, you can view it from the history. This was about first run. Now after hearing or listening the lecture for the first time carefully, what you are expected to do in the second run? When you will view this lecture for the second time, what you will do, at a proper position where I am telling some definitions, where I am drawing some sketches, or where I am giving you some instructions or information, you can make the video pause, write those statements, write those problems, write those solutions, draw those figures, whatever you want to do, and then again start the video. In this manner, you have to see the video lecture in the second run, part by part. Now, after viewing it for the second time, if you have got good material in your notebook as a notes, read those notes, refer the reference book for those notes, refer the problems from the book, and if required, view the video for one more time. At the time of exam, when you need to see it again, then you can search it from the search box of YouTube by just typing Teach Easy Rajendra Koranne. So these are some tips. In a nutshell, I will repeat it. First point, you should be mentally prepared for that purpose. Imagine that you are in the classroom, you are sitting on the bench, you are well dressed. All the accessories needed in the classroom are there on the table. Second one, for mental preparedness, first thing, most important is concentration. Therefore, whenever you will view the video, view with the help of headphones or earphones. So you will increase the concentration. Then try to view it for second time for jotting down the notes in the notebook, and if required, see it for the third time. I am sure that try to view these videos which you have seen before. Try to write down the notes on the notebook and tell me your comments, whatever you are getting by these some steps, whether you imagine, whether you can confirm yourself to be in the classroom, and can this make the teaching learning process effective or not. Thank you.